In this video, I'm going to show you how to skew in Photopea. First, head over to your Photopea project and make sure the image layer you want to skew is selected from the right-hand side of your screen. This step is important because the transform will only apply to the active layer. Once your layer is selected, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Edit option. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Transform, and this will open a side menu with additional transform options. Here, simply click on SKEW to activate the SKEW transformation. As soon as you select the SKEW option, you will notice control handles appearing around the edges and corners of your image. These handles allow you to distort the image by dragging them in different directions. You can click and drag any of these points along your canvas to tilt or slant the image exactly how you want. This gives you full control over the perspective, allowing you to create angled or distorted effects depending on your needs. Take your time adjusting each side until the result looks natural and aligned with your design. Once you are satisfied with the transformation, press Enter or click the check mark at the top to apply the changes, and this is how you can skew in Photopea.